Okay, here's the light. It's a Inforce APLc Glock, and it's a compact version of the APL, and it fits the M&P perfect. So I'm going to go ahead and put it on and show you, and we're going to do some shooting with it. Okay guys, we're inside. I apologize, it got really dark outside and I really want to show you a detailed look at the Inforce APLc Glock. I'll go ahead and move the slide forward. This is how it looks like. Beautiful combo. If you notice on the paddle, it's got the stippling, matches the grip really well. It's like it was made for the gun. And this right here is 200 lumens. And if you notice, the finish is more of a matte black finish. The older one was more of a gray finish, but this right here matches the slide, and the texture matches the frame. Very nice looking light. If you never used an Inforce APL before, it's got paddles on both sides, and for momentary on, you just press it like that. Constant on, you just tap it. You notice it's got a more audible click. This right here, guys, the Inforce APLc Glock. Okay, back to the range.